Does coughing echo through your home? It might not be allergies, it could be radon gas silently harming your family.
Radon is an invisible gas that is emitted with the disturbance of stone in the ground. And when you put a basement on a house, and that's typically where radon is found.
So why are we worried about radon?
So radon can cause lung cancer. It also, when it explodes, leaves beta radiation and gamma radiation in your lungs that eventually break down into a lead molecule. And it's a long-term exposure.
The good news is that testing for radon is simple. Use ICTIS to quickly find out if your home is safe. If levels are high, improve ventilation and install a mitigation system. Don't let radon go unnoticed. Take action now.